Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 8th class biology 4th chapter ecosystem. In this chapter we learn abiotic components or non-living components in the ecosystem. Abiotic components, it is also called non-living components. There are 5 types: sunlight, air, water, warmth, soil. First one, sunlight. Green plants prepared their own food with the help of the sunlight by photosynthesis. Though these physical conditions, sunlight is very useful to the plant for the food preparation. Green plants are also called producers or autotrophs. So they prepared their own food by the process of photosynthesis with the help of sunlight. So sunlight is also helpful to the organisms also. Second one, air. To provide oxygen to plants and animals for respiration, carbon dioxide for plants for photosynthesis. To serve as a medium for flight for birds and insects, etc. So air is the medium of the flight for birds and insects. Here oxygen and carbon dioxide are also very useful to the plants in the air. To serve as the agent for the dispersal of seeds, fruits, pollens by blowing winds. So in the pollination there are very useful of the seed dispersal is very important, and pollens are blowing out by blowing winds. So this is very important of the air. Next one, water. Here water is very useful to the living things, and water received as rainfall and absorbed as soil water, then taken by the plants. Water consumed by the animals in drinking from drains, puddles and rivers. So water is very useful to the plants and animals also. Warmth. Hot, mild, cold temperature influences the kind of body functions of plants and animals living in such areas. Such areas means here different types of weather conditions. It means in deserts have hot conditions, and in mountains have cold conditions and moderate weather conditions also. So there are different types of weather conditions and temperatures. So the plants and animals also living in the such a type of weather conditions. Soil. Soil in a way is the foremost component of the forest. The trees, bushes, grasses grow in soil. Soil contains water and mineral nutrients like sodium, potassium, etc. required by the plant. So it is very useful the plant growth. The nutrients are very useful to the plant growth. Soil provides a dwelling place for burrowing animals like rats, snakes, earthworms. So this is the dwelling place of the rats, snakes, earthworms. Earthworms which even swallow the mud containing dead organic matter. Soil types are different in plains, on hills, mountains, etc. So soil types are red soil, sand, black soil. So different types of soils in the plains. Desert soil provides support to prickly pear and date palms. So in the desert has soil type, soil is sand like soil. So all types of plants are not grow in that particular area. So there are only available date palms and prickly pear. Next, ponds, rivers, lakes have some kind of soil at their bottom which is required by the organisms living there. So here ponds and rivers, lakes have a separate type of the ecosystem, and they are different types of organisms living there. This is the abiotic components. Abiotic means non-living components, sunlight, air, water, warmth, soil. Thank you everyone. Please comment, share and subscribe to my channel.